In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notification schedules in Basecamp. By the end, you'll know how to control what alerts you receive, how you receive them, and when your devices stay quiet so you can focus or unwind without interruptions. First, head to your notification settings, sign in to Basecamp, then look to the top right corner of the screen for your avatar or profile photo. Click it and choose. Change your notification settings. This is your control center. Here, you can fine-tune the types of updates you receive, like mentions, assignments, or comments. You can decide how they arrive, whether that's by email, push notification on your phone, or through your browser. You can also choose which projects you want notifications from. If a project is especially noisy, you can dial it back. And for critical initiatives, keep alerts flowing so you never miss what matters. Take a moment to review these options thoughtfully. Balancing urgency and focus now will save you from distraction later. Next, let's set quiet hours using Basecamp's Work Can Wait feature. This is the built-in way to schedule push notifications, so you get them on your time, not at every hour of the day. In your notification settings, look for Work Can Wait. Choose the start and end times that define your quiet period, maybe evenings after work or early mornings before you're ready to jump in. You can also select which days these hours apply to, such as Monday through Friday, leaving weekends free or vice versa, depending on your schedule. During your quiet hours, Basecamp will hold push notifications, so your phone stays silent. If you prefer, you can opt to receive a catch-up summary later, which gathers what happened while you were away into a convenient overview. That way, you're never in the dark, but you also aren't constantly interrupted. A few tips as you configure things. Keep in mind that Work Can Wait applies to push notifications. If you still want a quieter inbox, adjust your email and browser options in the same settings page. Revisit your project choices regularly. Priorities shift, and your notification setup should shift with them. And if you travel or your schedule changes, update those quiet hours so they continue to reflect your real-life routine. That's it. With these settings, you're not turning notifications off. You're putting them to work on your terms. Customize what you get, how you get it, and when you see it, and Basecamp becomes a lot easier to live with every day.